Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share a chat or conversation on Qwen AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Qwen AI, select your conversation here on the left hand side or start a new one by clicking into new chat here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is you would see, for example, this button here, right, just below the given reply provided by Qwen AI. So that is going to allow you to share the entire conversation. So usually you will find that button at the bottom of the most recent reply, right? So if your conversation is longer, you will need to scroll all the way down, click into this button, and then copy the shareable link here to the given chat. What you want to do also, guys, is click into these three dots here at the top. And you can do this from here as well by clicking into share. And you will be redirected to the same window here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.